So here is another question on vector triple product. So we have to find the vector triple product for the three vectors: a vector which is equal to 2 I cap minus 3 j cap, b vector I cap plus j cap minus k cap, and c vector which is equal to 3 I cap minus k cap. Okay, so we know the definition of vector triple product, which is equal to a vector cross b vector cross c vector, that is equal to b vector multiplied with the dot product of a vector and c vector minus c vector multiplied with the dot product of a vector and b vector, BAC and CAB. So first we'll determine a vector dot c vector. So here a vector dot c vector, that is equal to respective x, y and z components of a vector and c vector. So it is equal to 2 into 3 plus minus 3, okay, minus 3 into 0 plus 0 into minus 1. So that is equal to 6 plus 0 plus 0, that is equal to 6. Then a vector dot b vector, that is equal to, we have to multiply the respective x, y and z components of a vector and b vector. So that is equal to 2 into 1 plus minus 3 into 1 plus 0 into minus 1, because it is 2 I cap minus 3 j cap plus 0 k cap. Okay, so it is equal to 2 minus 3, that is equal to minus 1. So a vector dot c vector, that is 6, and a vector dot b vector, that is equal to minus 1. So then b vector into a vector dot c vector, that will be equal to 6 multiplied with b vector, which is equal to I cap plus j cap minus k cap, that is equal to 6 I cap plus 6 j cap minus 6 k cap, and c vector dot a vector multiplied, sorry, not dot c vector multiplied with dot product of a vector and b vector, that is equal to minus 1 multiplied with c vector, which is 3 I cap plus 0 j cap minus k cap, that is equal to minus 3 I cap plus 0 j cap plus k cap. So now this minus this, that is equal to 6 I cap plus 6 j cap minus 6 k cap minus 3 I cap plus 0 j cap plus k cap, that is equal to 6 minus 3 with 6 plus 3, 9 I cap plus 6 j cap minus 6 minus k, minus 6 k cap minus k cap, that is equal to minus 7 k cap. This is the result. So if you want, you can also verify. Okay, let's verify it. Okay, because we are doing it new, so let's verify for each question whether the LHS is equal to RHS. So first, b vector cross c vector, so this is the RHS thing. Okay, BAC CAB. So here we'll do it the LHS way, a vector cross b vector plus c vector. So it is small b and small c here. So that is equal to I cap j cap k cap, b vector is 1 1 minus 1 and c vector is 3 0 minus 1. So that is equal to I cap into minus 1 minus 0 or plus 0, same thing, minus j cap into minus 1 minus of minus 3 minus 1 plus 3 and plus k cap into 0 minus 3, which is equal to minus I cap minus 2j cap minus 3k cap. Then A vector cross B vector cross C vector. Okay, A vector cross B vector cross C vector, that is equal to, here A vector is how much? A vector is 2I cap minus 3j cap, so this becomes 2 minus 3 0, and B vector cross C vector we have calculated here, minus 1 minus 2 minus 3, so this becomes I cap into 9 minus 0, okay, then minus j cap into minus 6 minus j cap into minus 6 minus 0, okay, then plus k cap into minus 4 minus 3, so that is equal to 9I cap plus 6j cap, minus j into minus 6 plus 6j cap minus 7k cap. So this is the LHS way, and this here which we have calculated here is the RHS, okay, this one. So both are same, okay, BAC CAB, this is through BAC CAB, okay, so it's through BAC CAB, and this is also that 9I cap plus 6j cap minus 7k cap, and here also 9I cap plus 6j cap plus 7k cap, we're getting the same result, okay.